This is the ARES 2 from Zeblaze. It's the second in an ARES line that includes all kinds of controls here. When you slide this direction, you've got theater mode, brightness, vibration. You even have a weather forecast in Fahrenheit or centigrade in whatever city you define in the actual app itself. You've got step count showing you your hourly steps. You've got last night's sleep time with deep sleep, light sleep, and REM sleep on the app. You can get all that information. Your continuous heart rate is shown here, high and low, and a bar chart showing your average so far. You've got exercises at a complete list of them here. No GPS in this watch, but you got all the typical things, including swimming. 50 meters underwater with this one. It's been bumped up from 3 ATM to 5 ATM in the ARES 2. You have last 7 blood pressure readings, and it will take your blood pressure and give you feedback on that. You've got your blood oxygen. It's going to give you the current reading and your last 7 readings as well. There's that weather report again. You have a card here if you want it, and remote shutter to take a picture with your phone using your watch as the trigger. You've also got an onboard music player to play the music through the phone. There's no speaker or mic on this one. It's not for Bluetooth calling or for playing music directly, but it will remotely control your music on your phone. This way, you get into your app drawer and you've got all kinds of things. These are all the things you've seen already. Heart rate and training. You got blood pressure and blood oxygen on here. Weather reports, the shutter and the player. And in others, you've actually got the app QR code, powering it off, resetting the watch, the theater mode, and your brightness, alarms, and stopwatches in here as well, too. You've got a couple of games as well, the 2048 game and Young Bird that you can play. Inside of this thing, you got a variety of different watch faces and over 300 faces that you can choose from in the app itself, that you can replace this one with a variety of creative faces. So check it out. It is the ARES 2 from Zeblaze, a non-removable band, but very contoured to the body, definitely ruggedized, ready for bear. Really interesting watch. ARES 2. Now here's how it compares to the original ARES from Zeblaze, which is also available. This is the ARES. It's a ruggedized sports fitness watch, 3-atmosphere waterproofing. You can definitely swim with this one. Variety of different controls. Do not disturb. Brightness, by the way, it's on the lowest brightness possible. Find your phone. Your overall settings are here. You've got step count information, heart rate, last night's sleep information, weather in your area in Fahrenheit or centigrade, or a music player. When you tap this button, you go dynamically into your different fitness routines that you can call up. You've got walking, yoga, sit-ups, running, all kinds of things, and swimming is on here as well. Over this way, that training that we got to is there. Status is your step count and so forth. You also can do blood pressure. You have More, which has a countdown timer and a stopwatch built into it if you want to go into there. When it's running, it will run, and when you leave it, it pauses it rather than resetting it. So you can actually use it effectively while you're doing a routine. You take a break, just pause it, and then come back into it, and you can pick it right up from where it was. Very, very nice. You've also got a flashlight that you could use in the dark, and a few other goodies. You've got settings for it to get your QR code, turn it off, reset it, get info, and of course change your watch faces from there, for which we have a few other ones. A nice digital one here, an analog one, which is pretty cool, and one more that you can put that's custom that you can download from the app. You'll see that in the full review. So check it out. Really nice, easy to use, colorful band. The ARES smartwatch fitness, super thin.